So okay guys, I order a battery of my GoPro Hero 11. And okay guys, so this is a battery. So I not make sure this is exactly the battery of my GoPro Hero 11, but said here and I order the battery is compatible to my GoPro Hero 11. Okay, they have a charger and two battery for my GoPro Hero 11. So this is the model still listen. Okay, battery charging box for Hero 12, 11, 10 and 9. So okay guys, we have unboxing this Telesin battery. Okay guys, here the Telesin battery. First you can see is the cord, USB type C cord. Okay, there are two here in the box. The one is the USB type C cord and the battery charging box. And the inside of the box you can see the two battery for my GoPro Hero 11. Okay, here the GoPro or the Telesin for Hero 11, 12, 9 and 10. Okay guys, another one, and this is the charging box. So the slot is 1, 2, 3. You can charge 3 battery in the box. Okay, so we can try it. The battery is fit to my GoPro Hero 11. So this is my GoPro Hero 11, and okay, we can try it. The battery is fit to slot of this GoPro Hero 11. Okay, so the battery is exactly or the same with my slot of this GoPro Hero 11. Okay, we can try it. Okay guys, that's it. Okay guys, that's it. We have successfully unboxing the battery charging box and the Telesin battery of my GoPro Hero 11. Okay, and okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.